Stress is a natural part of life. We all feel it. It's that tight feeling in your chest, the worry, the frustration, and maybe even a headache or upset stomach. While a little stress can push us to get things done, too much of it can mess with your mind and body. But guess what? Stress doesn't have to control you. Here's the deal. There's no magic fix, no one-size-fits-all solution. It's all about taking small steps, being kind to yourself, and staying consistent. Start each day with a tiny win. You've got this, and you're not alone on this journey. Ready? Here we go. Prioritize sleep. It's essential for recovery. Exercise. Even a walk helps release tension. Take a few moments to practice deep breathing. Calm your mind, ground your body. Maintain a healthy diet. What you eat affects your mood. Eat well. Balance your nutrition. Try meditation to center yourself. Keep energy steady. Practice mindfulness. Be in the moment. Let go of distractions. Take a break. When stress hits, step back, breathe. Help others. Helping people can shift your focus and give you purpose. Organize your time. Clutter only adds stress. Incorporate yoga to stretch your body and ease tension. Be active. Movement fights stress. Connect with others. Don't isolate. Share the load. Do things you enjoy, whether it's reading, painting, or any hobby. Manage your social media time. Too much scrolling brings stress. Try progressive muscle relaxation to release physical tension. Use relaxation techniques like visualization to calm your mind. Talking helps. Express what you're going through. Understand your stress patterns, recognize triggers, and manage them. Accept the things you can't change. Let go of control where needed. Avoid stressful situations when possible. Lastly, find the balance. Work and play must coexist. Take it step by step and remember, you control how you manage stress.
Ruminate, the space between thought and transformation.